This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Arctic front to blast through the area tonight. An Arctic front is expected to cross through the area between 9 p.m. this evening and 2 a.m. Thursday. Along this front, a band of snow showers and squalls along with a quick increase in wind gusts to 40 to 50 mph is expected. Temperatures will quickly fall into the 20s and 10s behind the front. Be prepared for sudden restrictions in visibility within snow showers and squalls along the front, with a flash freeze of untreated roadways as temperatures fall behind the front. Wind gusts may knock down tree limbs and cause isolated power outages. Wind chills will bottom out between -5 and 5 degrees Thursday morning. Occasional snow showers along with areas of blowing snow will continue into the day Thursday.